you are UPSC CSE aspirant, this video is for you. Now pay attention. UPSC CSE exam, Union Public Service Commission every year conduct this exam of civil services examination. My dear friends, there are 24 posts. Every year UPSC announces around about 1000 to 1100 vacancies to fill these 24 posts. If you are good at leadership qualities and administrative qualities, you can opt for IAS. If you are good at your physique and you want justice all around, you can go for IPS. If you are good at communication skills and you have diplomatic skills, you can opt IFS. And there are so many other posts according to your aptitude and your will and of course your rank, you will be assigned such posts. Let's know little bit more about that. First of all, the age limit. Age limit for CSE is 21 to 32 for general, 21 to 35 for OBC, 21 to 37 for SC and ST, and for physically disabled it is from 21 to 42. The age limit relaxation is there for the reserved categories. And next is educational qualification. My dear friends, for that, to appear for the UPSC CSE exam, you have to have this bachelor degree in your hand. In any discipline, I mean in any stream, you can be BA. You can be bachelor in art, you can be bachelor in science, you can be bachelor in commerce. But the BA degree is the best to appear for civil services exam. Next is salary. The basic salary for IAS and IPS will be the same. It will be 56,100. It will be basic salary, and HRA, DA and TA will be added to make it round about 1,32,000 per month. Now the highest post of IAS officer is the cabinet secretary, who is going to get 2,50,000 per month, and highest post for IPS is the DGP, who is again going to get the same amount, which is 2,50,000 per month. And so far as IFS is concerned, Indian Foreign Services, the basic salary is 15,600 to 39,100, and with the perks it will be 90,000, and of course the foreign expense will be added to it, which will be depending upon the country you are going to visit. Now the most important part, which is exam. Let's know about the marks, papers and subjects. First of all, there are 3 stages, which are prelim, main and interview. In prelim there will be 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2. It is also known as General Study 1 and General Study 2. General Study 2 is also known as CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test. Now in General Study 1, there will be these many subjects: history, geography, economics, polity, environment, science and current affair. That's why I told you the BA degree is the best to opt for this UPSC CSE exam. So for these many topics, the questions will be 100 for the paper 1, General Study 1, and the marks will be 200, 2 marks for 1 question. Second paper will consist of these topics, which is comprehension, interpersonal skills, communication skills, then logical reasoning, analytical ability, decision making, problem solving, and then basic numeracy and general mental ability. In basic numeracy, it will be of 10th level maths. Now next is mains. So before we go for main, let me tell you that there will be negative marking for this preliminary exam, minus 0.66 for paper 1 And paper 2, it consists of 80 question of 200 marks. So minus 0.83 will be deducted for one wrong answer, because this negative marking is 1/3 of 1 mark assigned to one question. So be careful if you are not sure to attempt or to mark any correct answer, so better leave it like that, don't mark anything over there. So if you will leave it, no negative marking will be there. If you will fill the wrong answer, for that the negative marking will be there. Next phase is the mains, which is very important, and here again the two categories are there. First is qualifying, second is papers to be counted in the merit. Now the qualifying papers will be two papers, paper A and paper B. Paper A will be one of the Indian language. The list has been given by UPSC. From that list you need to opt any Indian language of your choice, and it will be consisting of 300 marks. And then next is English. English paper will be there, it will be also of 300 marks. It is again the qualifying. Now next category is the papers to be counted in merit. There are 7 papers. First paper will be of essay paper, different topics will be given, and it will be 3 hours paper, and 250 marks will be there. Next day there will be general study paper 1, and it will be also of 250 marks, and on the same day in the evening there will be another GS2 exam, same marks 250. Then next day there will be paper 4 and paper 5, general study 3rd and general study 4. These again will be happening on the one day, morning and evening. Morning timings are from 9 to 12 and evening are from 2 to 5. So total in one day for continuously 6 hours you need to write. So make your speed and practice writing 6 hours every day if you want to appear for these main exams. Now the last papers 6th and 7th are optional. Both are 250 marks each, like the other papers. Now these papers again will be happening on one day, one morning, one evening. So 3 hours you need to write from 9 to 12 and 3 hours from 2 to 5. Now these optional paper you need to select of your choice where you have mastery from the list given by the UPSC. There are particular subjects which UPSC has given. From that list you need to select where you have mastery and you can get good marks. Now in total these 7 papers consist of 1750 marks, and the last and most important phase is interview, where you need to compete with those who appeared in mains and who cleared the mains and who has come for interview. You need to compete them in what areas? In your leadership skills, in your ability, in your personality, overall personality, in your communication skills, and many more such qualities will be judged in your face-to-face interview. My dear friends, all the best for your entrance exam. Good luck. Bye-bye.